Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to upgrade the SSD module in a late 2010 11-inch MacBook Air with an OWC Aura 6G SSD. We've already backed up our data, gathered our materials and shut down the MacBook Air, and we'll be working on a soft static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first thing to do is close your MacBook Air and flip it over. On the bottom are 10 5-point Torx screws to remove using your pentalobe screwdriver. The two center screws along the hinge edge are longer than the others, so let's remove those first. Then, remove the remaining 8 screws. You can now lift the bottom cover up and off. There's a snap in the center, so you may have to pull a bit to detach it. The SSD module is located here. First though, we'll need to detach the battery, which is located here. To detach the battery, carefully lift up on the edges of the connector until it comes free. To remove the SSD module, you'll first need to remove the single Torx T5 screw holding the end in. Once the screw is removed, you can lift up on the module slightly and slide it out of its socket. The notch on the Aura corresponds with the pin in the socket. Simply line the two up and slide the Aura into the socket until it's fully seated. Then, lay the Aura flat and secure it in place with the Torx T5 screw. Finally, reconnect the battery by lining up the connector and simply pushing it back into its socket. You can now set the bottom cover back into place and replace the screws you removed earlier. Start with the two longer screws which go in the center on the hinge edge. Then, replace the remaining 8 screws. You may now flip your MacBook Air over, open it up, and turn it on.